So I'm going to add some images as plain on this to make our scene look much better. So I'm going to shift right click to add my cursor here, then shift A to add image as plain. So I'm going to add this to my scene. Shift A to add another image. Then I will go to my file. So we just added another image. So I'm going to scale this up and bring this out. Then I'm going to turn off the specular for this. Then let's add this here, somewhere there. Oops. So let's add another image as plain, shift A. So guys, I'm going to place my cursor here. By holding shift and left click. Then shift A, I'm going to add image as plain. So I'm going to add this ivy flower that I have. This is just an image. This is an ivy image. So guys, I think Blender has an ivy add-on that is free. It's on Blender. You can, if you want to use it for your environment to populate your scene, you can just go to edit. You can just go to Blender edit, then check preferences, type ivy is already turned on, but I don't want to use it for this particular scene. So what you can do is to just turn it on. Then if you want to scatter your object, if you don't want to use particles, Blender has an add-on. Blender has an object scatter add-on that can use to scatter objects on your scene. So if you want to turn it on, you can still go to edit, check preferences, check scatter, object scatter. Type scatter, you see object scatter. There's also G scatter by Grasswater. There's also G scatter. So you can if you have a G scatter add-on, you can use it to populate your scene. If you have this, or you can use Blender object scatter to scatter objects or scatter grasses on your scene to populate your scene. So all you have to do is to turn this on, then press F3 to type object scatter, or you just see it here, object scatter, and to appear, and you use it to scatter objects. That's if you don't want to use particles. place your cursor here. So I'm going to add another image as plain. I'm going to add this image as plain. Bring this out. I'm going to scale it. Bring this out. I'm going to turn off the specular to 0. I'm going to scale this. So this is an image as plain. So I'm going to turn off the specular. I'm going to change origin, place my cursor here and change origin to 3D cursor. Change origin to 3D cursor. So I'm going to scale this. I'm going to bring this up.